morning. I'm in this bathroom about to do the dishes. There's some hand soap there. Still haven't gotten my dishwashing soap back from the loud friend because Mike is too busy taking care of his own needs so that we can clean our shit properly. Well, I'm just gonna clean it with hand soap. I just took the garbage bin down, put the cloth on it so it can dry there. Let's go. It's cold water though, but I got the steel sponge. Okay, check it out.
Check it out, guys. I asked for 4 cigarettes for 20 crowns. And she gave me this for free.
I already took one out.
And I have smoked one.
Yeah, she only took 1 cigarette and then she gave us the rest. And that pack is like 71 krona. It's like a little more than 10 bucks, 10, 11 bucks. Nice. Just what we needed.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Right where we need it.
Yeah. I almost missed the horses. They typically pass by in the morning time. I guess it's still morning technically. Just boiling the rest of the pasta. I'm gonna mix it with this breakfast.
Kan det ikke passe?
Se her. Når far havde fisket en pølse.
Den er varm. Jeg synes bare, at de andre synes det helt sikkert også er en god idé.
Leder du efter en pølse? Skal jeg finde en til dig? Hvis der er flere.
Jeg tror, der er en mere. Det er lige der.
Okay. Jeg lige tage den der. Fine. Der var en der.
Ja.
Så var den sidste her.
Ja.
We finished eating. I'm gonna do some more dishes. Start packing up, leaving for the next place. One of the last shots of this camp. What a nice place it was. 3 days just chilling here, no one complaining. Got a free pack of cigarettes. Let's go. I'm packing down the Trangia. Boom. I got everything packed down now. Only thing I couldn't find was one of the nano bidets. The one we use for like toothbrushing and stuff. I don't know what happened to it. Hopefully it'll still be in my things. I don't see why it wouldn't be. It was in my tent last I saw it, so it's probably in my backpack somewhere. That's where I was. Ja, det er den. Just filling up some water before we go. Every time I record, the music stops, but we're listening to nice music. I swear. We're listening to K-Dust from Vice City Radio. It's so good, man. Young hearts, be free tonight. Time is on your side. Mike's just picking up some garbage in the roadside. That's how we roll. There's music playing, guys. We're listening to K-Dust from Vice City Radio. We're going through the rich neighborhood. That's what it looks like. A bunch of electric cars too. Listening to some Bowie, still on K-Dust radio. Just slugging our way through the rich community. Let's go. I haven't listened to K-Dust radio in a while. It's nice, man. I'm gonna go rocking a bit. I just found this place. It's pretty nice. Woo! Guys, I found power and water. We're just over here behind this little straw roof building. That's amazing. Ah, let's go. It's just back here. The others are sitting. Just finished putting the stuff over there, back there to charge. Going back to the others now. Ah, what a nice solution. Power and water. We're definitely gonna be camping nearby. Kiki's relaxing under this great big tree. An acorn tree. I don't know what the exact name is, but it's the tree that drops acorns. And then Mike's over here with Jason. Some girls were just here and their mom. I just introduced them to the channel. She was a traveler herself, so I figured maybe, who knows, she'd find it interesting. She said she wanted to do more travel with the girls before they got too old to wanna, go traveling when they get of a certain age. They just wanna be around the boys, They don't wanna be living in a vehicle with their parents. But yeah, she should go just see the world with her girls before it basically becomes impossible. Gotta go down to the water. I just skipped a few rocks. Going back to the others. It's cold down here. The girls left some pen for us. We can return these to get money. We just got finished playing some frisbee with Jason. I went into the nettles to get the frisbee one time and I dropped my phone. I just found it. That's an acorn. Det er et æren.
Ja.
Ja. Okay. Så lad os gå hen til legepladsen.
Ja, til den anden legeplads.
Ja. Wow.
Jeg ligner et abe.
You can do it, Jason. Next one. Good job. Next one.
Hvad den her?
Ja. Ej, du skal passe på, jorden er giftig.
Ja. Ja.
Altså den der.
Jeg kan ikke.
Jo.
Jeg ligner.
You can do it. Let's go. You can do it, Jason.
Ja. Jeg ved bare nu.
Du kan klare det. Du er så god.
Skal jeg hoppe ned?
Nej, jorden er giftig. Jeg bærer dig herover.
Okay. Du rammer jorden.
Nej, men det gælder kun for dig.
Ja.
Det gælder ikke for mig lige nu, fordi jeg leger ikke. Jeg filmer. Wee! Du hopper højt.
Ja.
Ja.
Jeg hopper snart op til dinosaurerne.
We're just chilling here. Waiting for Mike to come back from shopping.
Ja, jeg kan også have nogle andre sko.
Yeah. I'm just out here looking for a place we can stay. Check this place out. It's kind of a spa. Look at down here. Seems like a road less traveled. Check out this nice little camp we made. There's a bunch of paths close to us, but I just took a bicycle around to check how visible we were. You could kind of see Mike's tent from over in that direction. There's a path going there. But really, you have to be looking for it. There was an old man, he didn't notice. It's not really the best spot, but we're only gonna stay here for tonight. And then we're moving on towards those shelters I found when I was trying to go to Slipstown just a couple videos ago. More like 4 videos maybe. Yeah, I just got everything in my tent. I just picked up the power that we had down there. Let's see how much juice is in my power bank. That's the most important. Oh, it's 56. That's pretty good. We're just gonna connect it later at night. Get the final bit of power.
How much?
It's 50. Mine is 56, and
Okay, that's okay.
I think this one might be full.
I think it's finished, that one. And what about the kikis? Lad nu være, Jason.
Let's see. Yeah, this one has 5 dots.
Lille lort.
Ja.
Værsgo. Så fik du en dumfler.
Let's see, kikis.
Hey, lad lige være. Lad lige være. Sådan, lad lige være. Så bare lige kan åbne det.
Okay, brug den her først.
Hallo.
Fordi den lader
Lad
hurtigst.
lige være.
Look, I found an old COVID mask. This shit never ends, man. It does not feel like COVID was 5 years ago. Let me tell you that much. It's like the world. I don't know. It's like things stopped changing and just started degrading after COVID, right? Me and Jason are gonna make some tea together. Jeg snakker bare engelsk, Jason, i videoen. Derfor det lyder lidt mærkeligt. And then I'm gonna put the spirit burner here. And we have to unscrew this cap. Let me just light this one up.
Min mor har også en sådan en derhjemme.
Faktisk så må man ikke lave ild inde i sit telt. Men jeg må godt, fordi jeg er meget, meget god. Jeg har boet i telt i lang tid, så jeg ved, hvordan man skal gøre det. Men det er faktisk farligt.
Ja. Det er faktisk lidt farligt.
Det er faktisk meget farligt.
Ja, meget farligt. Hvorfor lukker du ikke?
Det er fordi, at når man laver ild herinde, så kommer der CO2. Og hvis der kommer for meget af det, så kan man ikke trække vejret, så besvimer man. Så jeg bliver nødt til lige at åbne en gang imellem, så vi kan trække vejret.
Ja.
Hvad for en tror du er bedst?
Ja.
Den.
Nej, den her.
Earl Grey, det er en af mine yndlings. Den vil jeg gerne have. Skal vi lave den?
Ja.
Perfekt. Helt sikkert. Det gør vi.
Ja.
Godt valg, Jason.
Ja.
Okay, the tea is drawing here, and Mikey just showed me like this big caterpillar that was crawling on him. I just want to get a shot of it.
Look at this guy.
Look at that! It looks dangerous.
It's a beautiful animal.
It's beautiful, but,
But
look
don't
at
touch it.
Look at those dots. Yeah, if you touch it, it's gonna be like a nettle or something. It's gonna keep stinging you. Look at those dots. That just screams, "Don't eat me. I'm dangerous." Wow.
That's crazy.
Yeah, we showed Jason already. Check it out. Jason's using my toilet. Der bliver jeg lige nødt til at censurere noget diller, kan jeg se. Nej, det var... Jason was just hanging out in my tent for the past few hours, and he was getting sleepy. So you know, I made a little bed for him here, a little headrest pillow, and then I started reading him Hans Christian Andersen, The Ugly Duckling. He didn't like that one, so I found some Brothers Grimm, Hansel and Gretel. He didn't really want that either, so he wanted to go back over to his father. So I guess now it's voice chat and editing for me. Stony, get on here. We just had some friends come by. We hung out in Mike's tent for a bit, all of us. They're the private friends who don't want to be on cam. Yeah, we hung out in Mike's tent a bit, then we smoked some cigarettes outside, and then they left again. It was nice. I like these friends. They live here in Nyborg. One of the friends actually commented like, "Oh, I think I just heard some voices," and I was like, "Oh yeah, I got an American in my headset." They didn't understand whatsoever. They were like, "What? Why?" You know, and I didn't want to explain the whole thing. It was just Stony, you know. Stony is just like, yeah, I don't care. Like, if you got to talk to some people for half an hour, I'll just stick by. I'll just stay around. So yeah, they heard Stony. Now I'm just sitting in here heating up my tent. I don't think we have enough water right now to make tea, so I'm just heating it up a little bit because I'm freezing.